Ka Voice of the People Party ha ka khat santrik ujelio kala ai da ka dor khat sha ka sorkar Jylla bandawa ba ka sorkar ka de ban bu jingkhein ye kibrio kibawan phetwir na Jylla Manipur ha Meghalaya namar ka jingya umsnam ha Manipur. U General Secretary VPP u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon hadin balawan ai ya ka shithi sha u simbut menteri rangba ka Jylla ba prestun tinsong ula ong ba ka seng ka dap da ka jingsngokya ya ka ka baja hapo ka Jylla Manipur khamtam bantip ba buongut kinong songsnong na Manipur kila kala phetwir banwan songsa ha ka Jylla Meghalaya. Uba singkon ula ong ba kila ya ka shithi sha u menteri kampo yeng ka Jylla bat kerpat ye ba ka sorkar ka de ban bu ya ki jingkhein ya ki phetwir na Manipur bat andawan phai ka songsuk songsan ha ka te ka Jylla kini ki phetwir kin yo balet biang sha Manipur.
We were very concerned with what is going on in Manipur, and especially when we came to know that a good number of refugees have come to our state from Manipur. So we sent a letter to the Home Minister requesting him that proper records of all these refugees who have come to our state to be maintained, so that once the situation in Manipur becomes congenial and hopefully peaceful, so that these people should return to the state where they came from. And we would like to put record, and we appreciate the effort taken by the government to, on humanitarian ground, to allow our fellow beings who have been affected by this situation in Manipur. And so, but at the same time, we thought it would be in the interests of our state, interests of our people, that these refugees who have come to our state to return once normalcy is restored in Manipur.